Hi, this is Jim Beckham. Welcome back to our third video in the series on how to use Baytech Mobile best and get started off best and get your business off to a running start using mobile marketing. In our last video, what we talked about, and if you don't know where we are, we recommend you start back at the beginning, watch all our videos at least once. I promise you this will save you a lot of time and frustration and aggravation and get you off on the right start. So if you hadn't watched the first two, you might be a little lost. You might want to pause this video and watch the first two first. If you have, here we go. Again, we start out when we log into our system with the main screen here. What we did in the last video was we created a contact list and a keyword so that you can actually send messages now across the system. So what's the goal is to get people opted in. So just like the original text message kings and queens, American Idol, was the first real enterprise to use text message marketing. And by the way, if you think it didn't work for them, they calculate the text message marketing made them almost $2 billion. So text message marketing is a very formidable business communication device and can really drive some serious profits into your business, to your website, or to any organization you are promoting. We use this system with restaurants, with home remodeling companies, with roofing companies, with title agents and real estate agents, with event organizers and nonprofit organizations. So whatever it is that you're using this for, we've pretty much installed it and been successful with, and is used on a daily basis today for our clients. So what happens once you have your list set up? You have a place that you can collect your numbers. And what's really neat is you want to be able to opt your first self in. So what we recommend you do is you go to your actual phone and you're going to do a new text message. And when you do a new text message, it's just like if you were sending a text to your wife or your husband or your child or your mom or dad. It's no different. You do a new text message, and the phone number in this example, because we've chosen, and you can see right on the screen where your chosen keyword is, right here, is 40691. So you're going to do a new text to 40691, and you're in the message, you're going to type your keyword. In this example, it's QU29. If you owned a beauty salon and it was, it was Sarah's Beauty, you could see if Sarah's Beauty was available as a keyword. However, under a demo account, again, when you see this area over here, this is a demo account awaiting activation, you won't be able to use anything but the system generated keyword for right now. Once you upgrade, you'll have access to as many keywords that you subscribe to, and you can use them as vanity access. However, please understand that once a keyword is taken, it's very similar to a domain name. In other words, if you're on 40691 and somebody took the keyword pizza, you too cannot have the word pizza. But if you own Mike's Pizza Shop and Mike's Pizza Shop is available, then you can lease that and nobody else will be able to use that until you went away from using that keyword or our system overall. So it's not a forever unless you're on Baytech Mobile software, then you keep it for as long as you have it leased and as long as your account is current. So under this, we're going to do a new text message on our phone, and you can't see me doing this right now, but I'm going to show you that you can receive text messages right now. So I'm going to text QU29 to 40691. And what happens is I automatically receive within a couple seconds the reply yes to opt in and receive text messages from Joe's Pizza. Joe's Pizza is coming from our profile. So if it's, a different kind of company, obviously that will be decided based on your profile information that you put on there. So the minute that I reply yes, I opt in, and and I will see on my phone the opt-in message that says, "Thanks, you are in." 4 messages a month, reply help for stop, reply stop to cancel. So when you do that, and as you do this on your phone, I hope you do, then what happens is you will see these little dots right here. And if I click on it, you'll see, we got to get my system to come on into play. You'll see now that there is one participant, and you can click the view, and this is me that opted in to this list. While we were on this call, on this video, I did the opt-in with my phone, and my system automatically tracks it. Now you're going to see a lot of information on there: first name, last name, gender, date of birth, zip code, phone number, keyword, opt-in time. Well, you can edit that person and you can opt them out. This is a very simple way to get somebody out as well. You come into your list, you search for their number. If it's in there, you click this little button, says opt out, and the person is automatically opted out of your system. So with that said, what you'll see is some information here, but if you look in the phone number section, then what we've done is to protect you and your account. You'll see X's on 3 of the numbers within. Yes, all of the phone numbers are yours. They're yours for nobody else to see. However, to protect you from wandering eyes, somebody attacks your account, somebody gets your login, an employee that was working with you wants to try to take your list with them, there's no way for them to export the list and get the true phone numbers under this system through your portal. If you ever want your phone numbers for any list at any time, you can email us and ask for us at info@Baytech Mobile, or you could call us at 888-374-0555. We'd be happy to send you your list via email, and it'll have all of the phone numbers on there. This portion of it is a security precaution to protect our clients from having anybody get a hold of their phone numbers that they've opted in. This also is a very, very big key to keeping our compliance with the do not call registry as well. The FTC, the FEC, all of the ones that register and monitor our transaction and our texting and everything on here really, really appreciate this portion. It gives our account holders only access to the phone numbers, and it really keeps you in compliance. So with that said, I'm going to end this video, and that is how you opt somebody in, and that is how you see how something is in the system, and then how you can get a list started and how you can opt yourself in. There'll be more to follow, so keep watching the videos. Thanks.